Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you again to our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your fellow learners. Ne? So, yeah, today I'll be dealing with tree diagram under probability. Ne? So, yeah, and also if you have a problem with maths or you need classes for maths, you can simply call me or inbox me on WhatsApp. My cell phone number is 066 276 4810. Ne? So yeah, today we'll be dealing with tree diagram. Let's do this question together. Okay, here's our question. They've given us during summer in a certain city in South Africa, the probability of a sunny day is 4/7, and the probability of a rainy day it is 3/7. If it is a sunny day, then the probability that Vusi gonna cycles to work it is 7/10. The probability that Vusi drives to work it is 1/5, and the probability that Vusi takes the train to work it is 1/10. If it is a rainy day, then the probability that Vusi cycles to work it is 1/9. Then the probability that Vusi drives to work it is 5/9. And the probability that Vusi takes the train to work it is 1/3. Then the first question says draw the tree diagram. Okay, all right. So we're gonna draw our tree diagram. Okay, don't forget here we are focusing more on a rainy day and sunny day. So it means firstly we'll be having two branches. Ne? We'll be having two branches for a sunny day and a rainy day. Ne? Sunny day and a rainy day. So the probability of a sunny day, it is given there, it is 4/7. And the probability of a rainy day, it is also given as 3/7. This thing is very simple. Okay. Then the next information says if it is a sunny day, then the probability that Vusi cycles to work, it is 7/10. The probability that Vusi drives to work, it is 1/5. And the probability that Vusi takes the train to work, it is 1/10. This is for a sunny day. Ne? So it means on a sunny day, we're going to have three branches. Ne? All right. Three branches. The first one is when he cycles to work. The second one when he drives to work. And then the third one is when he uses a train to work. Ne? And they say the probability that Vusi gonna cycles to work, it is 7/10. And the probability that they're gonna drive to work, it is 1/5. Here we have to write everything as the denominator of 10 for this one. So 1/5, it is 2/10. So we'll be having 2/10 for when he drives to work in a sunny day. Okay. And then the next one is Vusi takes the train to work. The probability that Vusi gonna take a train to work, it is 1/10. Okay, 1/10. Then let's go to a rainy day. Also here we're gonna have three branches. So the first one is when he cycles to work, when he drives to work, when he uses a train. So they say with the probability that Vusi cycles to work when it is a rainy day, 1/9. Then the probability that Vusi drives to work in a rainy day, it is 5/9. Okay. And then obviously the last one you can guess or you can be able to see what it is gonna be what. Vusi takes the train. The probability that Vusi gonna take a train on a rainy day, it is 1/3. 1/3, you have to write it as a denominator of 9. So it will be 3/9. 3/9. Okay, perfect. And here, if you add all your denominator, it must give you, if you add all your numerators, I mean, it must give you your denominator. So for example, if you say 7 plus 2 plus 1, it is 10, isn't it? So yeah, and 10 indeed it's our denominator. Even here, when you say 4 plus 3, it is 7, and the 7 is our denominator. Here you can say 1 plus 5, it's 6, 6 plus 3, 9, and indeed your denominator is 9. There you can just use it to confirm, or you have drawn your things very nicely. but we are done drawing our tree diagram. So let's go to the next question. They say for a day selected at random, what is the probability that it is raining and Vusi will cycle to work? Okay, so it means we are looking for the probability of when it is raining, and this one is for and. Vusi is gonna use what? It's gonna use, oh, you're gonna cycles to work. Okay, you're gonna use his bicycle. Okay, so okay, let's check. Now we're gonna focus on a rainy day only. Let's just forget about the sunny day for this question. So okay, the probability of a rainy day, we can see there where it is 3/7 multiplied by, or if he cycles on a rainy day, it is 1/9. Okay, then this will give us 1/21. And then you add that. Okay, don't forget, drawing the tree diagram, it has 5 marks, 5 marks for doing these things. Then for answering this question, it is 2 marks. Let's go to the next question. What is the probability that Vusi takes train to work? Okay, probability of train. Here you must be very careful. It means we're gonna focus on both days, when it is a sunny day and when it is a rainy day. Why? Because they didn't specify you're gonna take what is the probability of Vusi taking a train on a rainy day or on a sunny day. They didn't say that. So it means we're gonna focus on both days. So on this question, or the question that we just did, they have told us in a rainy day. That's why we were focusing on a rainy day only. So for this one, they didn't specify on a rainy day or a sunny day. So it means we're going to focus on both days. So it means I'll start with the probability of a sunny day, and Vusi we're gonna take a train. Sunny day and takes a train, and also the probability of when it is raining and Vusi takes what? A train. Yes, okay. This is not n, it's not n, it's and. Yeah, the symbol for and in probability we use this one. For or we use this one for union. Okay, so you must know all these symbols. Okay, then let's start here. The probability of a sunny day and Vusi takes the train. Okay, let's start with the probability of a sunny day. It is given 4/7 multiplied by, when it takes a train on a sunny day, it is 1/10. 1/10 plus the probability of a rainy day. It is 3/7, and when it takes a train on a rainy day, it is given there as 3/9 or 1/3. Okay, let's check. Good, what is our answer here? We're gonna simplify everything here, and then here I'm gonna get 2/35 plus this side is 1/7. This thing's gonna give me 1/5. Yes, it's gonna give me 1/5. So we are done with that, or you can write 20%, is still fine. So the probability that Vusi takes a train to work, it is 1/5 or 20%. Yes, so you must be very careful. They didn't say on a rainy day or on a sunny day. Okay, let's do the last question together, then yeah, we'll be done. So the last question says, if Vusi works 245 days in a year, okay, on approximately how many occasions does he drive to work? Okay, let's check the number of days or the number of occasions that he will drive to work when he works for 245 days. So it means it is probability of when he's driving to work multiplied by the number of those days he will be working, because we want to find the number of occasions. Okay, then the probability of him driving to work. Okay, it means we're gonna use the probability of when it is a sunny day and he drives to work, plus the probability of when it is raining and he drives to work. Okay, all this combined, it is the probability of him driving to work multiplied by 245. I hope we are still together here. Okay. Okay. Then this one we're gonna give us the probability of a sunny day. It is 4/7 multiplied by probability of him driving on a sunny day. It is 2/10. Yeah? Okay. 2/10 or 1/5 plus. Okay, let's use our square bracket so that we can apply both mass wisely. The brackets are very important. Okay, the probability of a rainy day, it is 3/7 multiplied by when it drives on a rainy day, it will be 5/9. You can see that multiplied by 245. Then you can use your calculator to get the number of days. Then we are done. We are done. So yeah, we are done for today. So if you have used your calculator very well, I think you're gonna get 86. 86,333. So it means it is 83 days. Okay, that you will be driving to work. Okay, so we are done for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to share and also like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, those who have problems with maths or need extra classes, my numbers are this one, right? 066-276-4810. You can inbox me on WhatsApp or call me on that number if you need maths extra classes. Yeah, we offer both online classes and the venue based or contact classes. Thank you.